How to turn off fundraisers and crisis email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off fundraisers and crisis email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down. Here you will find settings and then notifications, and go down again until you find fundraisers and crisis, and here you will find this one, email. All you need to do is just turn it off and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.